Hi, it's Keith Finlow Bates here, and over the last week I've read quite a few papers that are starting to push the idea of a new way of communicating between devices, because at the moment we use this standard client-server model, and the problem with that is that if you are running a server, then you are effectively inviting people into your house, and the idea is that you only let them into the hallway to hear what it is that they have to say, and then they leave again. But it leaves all sort of security flaws open to be exploited. And one of the things that blockchain allows is for what I've previously described as a push then pull model. So the idea is that you have a device and it pushes some data onto the blockchain, and then at a later date another device pulls that data off the blockchain, and that allows for a messaging system that isn't client-server based. And it brings along all sorts of security benefits, and it also brings along a certain number of efficiencies. So if you take a traditional database, you connect to the database in order to query it for information, and that means that you have to poll it on a regular basis if you're looking for change, and that can be very, very inefficient. So that's removed by this model. But the main thing is that you have this trusted data store that is being run publicly, and lots of eyes have looked at the code that has been used in order to create it, and you're just pulling data off it. So effectively what you're doing is you're not allowing people into your hallway anymore. What you're doing is you're making them deposit the message in your letterbox down the end of your drive, and then you go down to the drive and retrieve the information and act on it accordingly. So I think it's pretty neat, and I think we're going to see more and more of this over time. I hope the analogy helped you understand it, and see you in the next video soon. Bye for now.